Hey everyone, what I have right here is the scale fuselage Roban B222 600 size Airwolf. I'm going to do an open box here and show you what comes inside of this box. I plan on putting it in here on a line T-Rex 550E that I'm going to stretch out. I was planning on putting that 550E in another fuselage, but instead I want to put it in this Airwolf. So I'm going to do an open box here for you, show you what what comes in the box, you know, what it looks like, yeah. So here we go. All right, so this is on the side of the box where it's telling you that it's the the 600 size B222 Airwolf. Here's what it looks like. So I've already cut the top, so we'll just pop this bad boy off. And here you go. It's the fuselage is in here upside down. This is a lot more sparse, and it's like it's going to be, you know, it's easier to take out than whenever I did the open box of the 800 size Roban UH-1D Huey. So so here we go. We'll take a look at this right here. Here's the fuselage. It's the main body of the fuselage is upside down. You can see that the manual is in here, taped in here. So it doesn't seem to be, you know, hot glued or anything like that. It's actually loose. So we can just pull this out. And here we go. There we go. Let's pull it out. I'm doing this one-handed here with my camera. All right. So it has the front windshield, windscreen, whatever, is taped on right here. So I'm going to move this here to the side. It is very light. Let's go see what else is in here. Okay, so there's the tail boom. So it's going to be just like whenever we did the 800 size Huey. We're gonna, you know, we'll fit the mechanics in here, and then we'll have to, looks like we'll have to do like I did here. You know, we fit it on, you know, screw it in. So let's pop back in here. All right, so this is the standard 30-day warranty. And then here's their MotionRC thing. Okay, pretty cool. Set this here. So here is the tail boom. Okay. Pull this out. All right. So yeah, I did cut it. It was taped in here and secured. So here is the tail boom, and put this to the side. Manual. All right. So we have two boxes here that has materials in here to help put it together. All right. So I'll go ahead and just pull these out. Okay, there is a lot more stuff in here. I'm going to put the boom to the side, and then we'll try to open this. So this first bag, let's see what's in here. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be, it's like, you know, the missile armament. I think this is probably what's going to be, it goes on the bottom of the fuselage. And then we have, looks like probably more armament, maybe. Even more armament, maybe. All right, here's some hardware. We're putting it all together. Okay. Okay, here's probably the mechanics mounting, and I know this is going to be going to the tail boom, and for the you know, it's going to go in there. It's gonna, this is the rubber thing, goes into the, for the mechanics tail boom. All right, here is the retracts. Okay, and then in here, let's pull this stuff out. Okay, so There's the fin. Okay. And then here's the horizontal stab. And these two go on the horizontal stab. And then here's, we should have 2 of these. I'm gonna have to open that. They're very thin, so I'm assuming they're both there. So I'll open that up and see. Okay, and then here is the rest of the clear windows. All right, so I'm gonna pull the bubble wrap off that, and then I'll be right back. Take a look at that. All right, I did, when I looked down in here, I did miss these 2 right here. I think these are gonna be the, these are going to be for mounting the servos for the rear retracts, or for the retracts. So I did miss these as well. And then right here, I went ahead and pulled this out. This is the instruction manual. Now this looks a lot better than the manual that I got whenever I was building my Roban UH-1D 800 size heli. I couldn't even, I mean, they needed to change the ink whenever they printed that stuff out, but so I can't say that the instructions are any better, but at least they're readable. So, okay, let's take a look at the actual fuselage now. Okay, I just pulled the bubble wrap off, and everything is wrapped up in this, you know, this paper to help also protect it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this paper off. Now what's nice about this is already painted, and it's very shiny. Almost like wrapping or unwrapping a Christmas present, which to me it actually is kind of a Christmas present to myself. Yay! All right, oh wow, this is pretty. Okay, so here we go. This is the 600 size Roban B222 Airwolf, and we slide this on, and you can get a feel or see the fuselage. There is, from what I can see, not a single blemish. You know, they don't, you know, there's not like a lot of pictures. I mean, they have pictures of it, but you know, on MotionRC's website, but you know, there's not enough for. Okay, see, I didn't know this. I did not know that this had doors that opened. Look at that. Sweet. Cool. That is awesome. All right, now something that, I mean, if you can tell behind me here, I know this fuselage might be in the way, but I have a an older, much older Fun Key fuselage here behind me of a Bell 222 with a Century fuselage, or Century mechanics, you know, that goes in it. It's a nitro heli, but it's a 550 size, or I think it's a 30 size. But it, to do anything with it, you know, this part right here comes off, and what I like about the Roban is that it's going to come off. Make sure it's not taped. I haven't. It's the first time pulling it off. I think it comes off. I don't want to figure out how to pull this thing off. I think it comes off this way. How do we do it? Be soft, be gentle. There's always a way these magnets for holding it on. Y'all gonna laugh at me like I'll be a fool. Is it with the the front comes off this way. I think the magnets are pretty strong. There we go. Yeah. Well, I'm not messing with it until I figure out the proper way to pull the front off of the fuselage. But yeah, so the front of the fuselage, you know, up here, the whole thing comes off, so it makes it easier for the mechanics to drop in and come in, whereas it's kind of a pain to bring it in to the fun key fuselage. So I am excited about doing it that way. So okay, well, this is the Roban 600 size Bell 222 Airwolf, and hopefully I will start working on it after I stretch out the Align T-Rex 550E that I have. I've already got the parts to start doing the stretch, and once I do the stretch and get the test flights in and the appropriate flights to make certain that it's going to be okay, we'll start doing the build on this right here. All right, so I appreciate everybody watching, and all right, thank you.